let's make something better than French fries. Fry bits. This is more of a method than a recipe. I start with Yukon Gold potatoes. Peel them. Now here's how I dice my potatoes. But there's really no wrong way to do it. You just want small dices here. There's really no way to get it perfect. Once you've dispatched them, place them in a big pot of cold water. Bring it up to a boil. Alright, once it's boiling, add a few pinches of salt. And half a teaspoon of baking soda. This is going to mess with our taters chemically, and it's going to make them fry up nice and crispy. Cook them for another 10 minutes or so, or until they're soft. Now I checked this with my hands and it burned, so make sure that you check on a plate. Evacuate them carefully to a clean bowl. Try and drain as much of the water as possible at this point. Okay, now get a small pot of oil to 375 degrees. Then, add your potatoes in small amounts. I'm frying up the potatoes I cooked, plus some leftover potatoes from Thanksgiving. I boiled them just like I did earlier. Just make sure you don't crowd the pot. About 4 minutes later, you should have some golden brown bits. Evacuate them to a bowl and season them with salt. Repeat with the rest of your taters. Then, you can pile them high on a serving tray and sell them to precocious chubby kids. And by precocious chubby kids, I mean me! Yummy! Every single one of my patrons is a dang diamond. Did you like the video? Check out my take on Together Breakfast, another Steven Universe hit. Also, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, blah 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 blah, you get it. Recipes and links are in the video description. See you next time. Bye!